What's up, E-heads? We're out here on the wooden rocket, the Onyx RCR, and we are late as hell to a group ride that is downtown. And it's not an LA E-skate group ride, it's like an e-bike, so I don't know. It's not an LA E-skate ride, it's who knows what kind of stuff is going to be there. It should be fun though. We're just super late. It said the car route was going to be 18 minutes and it's literally starting right now. Wait for me, content. Wait for me. So we'll see. Maybe there'll be some cool people we've never met before there. Maybe some cool bikes. Stressed out already. Man, I hate downtown so much. This fucking guy, that's like me. Crazy downtown. Where do I turn, Siri? Oh my god, Siri, tell me something. Give me some news, Siri. Yo, bro, you're going the wrong way, man. He don't give a fuck. Dude, there is electric things everywhere. There's too many now. It was cool when I was the only guy who had something like this. Now everyone's delivering food. Everybody's doing something. That guy on a bike is over there for some reason. Look, that guy. We missed it. We're so late. We're so late, and we have 80 volts. We lost 3 volts. Oh, they're here. They're here. Look at all this. What is this? What is this insanity? Whoa. Oh, I got here just in time. I got here just in time. I know that guy. Got some supers. What a great way to show up to a meet. Just go immediately. This is all bikes too. I see a scooter. Oh, you're the LA E-skate guy.
Yeah, I got a goodie here for you.
Oh, I got goodies too.
Oh. Who's the next guy?
Yeah, he likes it. It's like LA Eastgate, but we're going a different way. And somebody is squealing. Who is hitting their brakes? Somebody needs talking to. Is it a... what's my present? Is it a Ryan controller?
Which one? Oh.
You said you had a present for me. Is it a Ryan controller?
There's a whole Ryan in here. I just did it.
Blue Mamba. We follow him on Instagram, I believe. What is this thing? What is this thing? Guaranteed it's the fastest thing here. Yo, what a fucking fuckhead. Sometimes cars just have to be angry for a little bit. I also got to figure out whose ride this is. Oh, there's Peter. There's Peter Parker, fellow YouTuber.
Oh, just admiring your bike.
Hey, that guy's on a Varla. Varla man. Is this clickbait? Is this clickbait right here? This looks beautiful. This guy's having a blast. A lot of soup heads here, a lot of OG soup heads. I didn't intentionally try to be incognito, but I am on my newest bike, and I do have my oldest helmet on. Okay, the only car we're upsetting is a Ford Transit van, and you know there's like there's like an Instagram couple living in there. That's probably just, you know, making content, so they're probably not mad. How you like the Varla?
How you like the Onyx?
It's pretty fast. I got the Varla too. I love it.
So you got this?
Yeah.
How long did you use yours?
I've had mine like a month.
Okay,
That suspension is nice. Second Varla I've seen in real life. I hope that guy wasn't thinking that I was just bragging about how many PEVs I have. This right here is a prison. This right here is a prison, and we rode past it the other day on an alternate LA Eastgate route, and I did not realize it. But you know there's guys just peeking out of those windows. They just have to look at how much fun we're having. Sorry, criminals. Oh my God, gas is $5.95 right there. No, thank you. Hey, great, but no, thank you. Oh no, we lost the boys. Oh. I'm just not trying to get crunched by some angry car. Whoa! Two Onyx here. Two Onyx. Oh, this is scary. This is scary. This is scary. I'm stopping. Oh, it just turned green. It just turned green. How did that happen? It turned red and then it was like, nah, green's fine. Yeah, thanks, man. Oh, now it's becoming LA Eastgate. We're hitting LA Eastgate from the other side. Blue Mamba!
Oh shit, guilty! What's up, man? I didn't know you were here. Hey, this is your territory, man.
Oh yeah.
I've seen a lot of your videos up here.
Where did Peter Parker go? We gotta just toast him. We gotta just absolutely toast him. But not on a no passing zone. No, he's doing it.
Nice. Yeah, man.
Whoa, slow down.
Yeah.
Crazy man. Oh, someone dropped a beer.
Dude's filming a commercial right now, bro.
Who is? Oh, Hudson? I thought he was flying a drone.
He is the drone.
Okay. We're gonna race this Onyx guy, whether he knows it or not. Oh, or he's just gonna crash directly into a car. Such a scary blind corner. Yeah, we're not racing that guy. We're actually not gonna race anybody. We're just gonna chill back here and be safe because we're safe now. We promote safety on this channel. What a nice boy that young Sawyer is. It is a blind corner. Death. Any one of us could die immediately. And Sawyer's gonna beat me. Whoa, whoa. Scared. What kind of helmet is that? Chamber?
Oh, Chambers. It's one of those guys, Taiwan and Thailand. Go.
Is that a stealth bomber or is that one of those recons?
Same frame.
Oh.
I used to follow him. He's got 134 volts.
134 volts.
Where's that basket? Where's that basket?
This is like late night LA skate. Not late night, but evening e-skate. Oh, we're in the front. We're already in the front. Yo, what's going on here? Okay, this is not what we do with the Onyx. That's not how you treat an Onyx. Oh my god. Damn. And then I just lose them all. Yep.
Yeah, I saw you on the ride. Okay. What were you saying about your Varla? I couldn't hear you for a second.
Oh yeah, no, I just got it. I've had it for like a month.
Oh, shit, nice.
But I like that it comes with all that grip tape, like all the different colors and stuff.
I've never seen really much of the Onyxes in person, so
Oh really?
first time I'm like, this thing's cool.
Yeah, normally they're everywhere, but for this ride it's mostly Super 73s it looks like.
Yeah, I was like, damn. But then everybody started posting hashtag Super 73 community.
Oh really?
Oh, cool.
Yeah, who's
Definitely
right?
got dick scooter. Be that one dick.
Nah, you're not a dick. Everyone's welcome.
Hell yeah. I just wanted to see on how long this can actually handle.
Do you make content or do you just?
No, right now it's just for personal use, but we're gonna try to post some eventually.
Oh,
You make
cool.
content?
Yeah, yeah.
What's your name?
Dylan Thompson.
Huh?
Dylan?
Oh shit, you're Dylan. Dylan Legal.
Yep. Yep.
Got you.
Hey, what's up, man?
Justin.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Dude, I was wondering, I was like, his hair looks a little familiar. I saw his videos. Your shit was like what got me into wanting to get the Varla and start fucking around with all this electrical shit.
Oh, cool, man.
Used to motorcycles, used to just skateboards and bicycles. So I saw the Onyx videos, like a couple of them, and I was like, oh, this thing's cool. What the fuck? I've never seen it. And then every single time you just show the video with dashboard, so I'm like, oh, okay, this thing's like, it's got a motorcycle display. This thing's gotta be fast. Search it up, and then I see all the specs. I'm like, oh, fuck this. For less than 5,000? Shit, cheaper than a motorcycle. Do some deliveries, pay it off. I ain't gotta worry about shit.
Nah.
That's really cool though.
Have you seen anything crazy since you've been recording?
I've had a couple of people try cutting me off and doing stupid
Oh, like
shit.
cars?
I had a fight over next to Staples Center with some skateboarder and some, like, I guess a restaurant owner or something. But he started throwing the skateboard, threw it at the window, just destroyed the restaurant, just tried running. Cops came over and tried to, like, pull everybody over who saw it. And I was like, I don't want to be here for this.
That's content, though.
Oh, yeah, it was content. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
What's your name?
My name is Peter.
Dustin.
Nice to meet you, man. I was gonna pay my respects to the Godfather.
Did you know that was me when I passed you back there?
I saw an Onyx and I was commenting on like the woodwork, and I was like, I love that woodwork, like the redwood look. And then you're like, I'm like, oh wait, hold up. That was cool, man.
How's the channel?
The channel?
Yeah.
It's doing great.
Making money yet?
Not as much as you.
Well, it doesn't matter how much. It's just as long as it's anything, you know.
It is something, yeah, and it's helped me enough to, like you said, you know, not do.
Helps you keep going.
And just do YouTube.
Yeah, dude.
I go by Peter Parker.
Peter Parker?
Yeah.
Check these out.
Just kidding.
Have you seen these?
How is this? Jam Master J's?
Yeah.
Check out my mixtape. It's so good.
I legit thought he was handing me a fucking VHS tape. Or whatever.
You think that's VHS?
No, I don't know. This should be the stop. This should be a stop.
What's up, buddy?
This should be a stop, dude. It's a great stop.
It is.
Do you think it would be good to make this a stop?
Yeah.
Wait, this would be. No, it wouldn't be a good midpoint because there's no shade.
Did you see The Secret?
It's amazing. Are we about to indulge in the secret?
If you want to, yeah.
Dude.
What was your name again, buddy?
Dustin. I got wax and stuff. Nice to meet you again, man.
Oh, is that my present?
That and I was gonna get drinks and stuff. I had a drink for you, but actually they drank them all. So.
Oh, I was too late.
I know, it's really sad.
Oh, that's not good.
It's okay, I'll fix it for you. I'll fix it. Don't worry.
It's not broken, is it?
No.
And we're back. Man, I really should not have sent it off that little thing. It wasn't even a jump. It was like a dirt mound to a just a little wall, like a little 6-inch wall. Now my front wheel feels a little unbalanced. Maybe it's just me. Maybe having wheel anxiety again. Nice call outs for cars. This is cool, like nighttime lay skate. those women looked over for not even a second. Those women turned their heads, saw 40 guys on weird little electric things, and then was like, anyways, later, buddy. Whoa. Hey, buddy. Holy cow. What a squad. What a squad. This is sick. Hey, this is so sick. Doesn't it feel nice to be not responsible?
Well, I am a little responsible.
Oh, you're partial?
I watch you guys in the back.
Oh, I see. God, I love it. I love it so much. So scary though. Biggest smile on my, when I ride my RCR, I got the biggest smile on my face. But I also have the biggest shit in my pants. Just the biggest turd of all time is in my pants. Simultaneously. Yo, you got a camera? You got a backup camera?
Yeah. You like it?
Oh my god.
Really safe.
Do they make screens that are smaller? For that?
This is the standard.
That's like 4.3?
Yeah.
It still looks cool.
It's cool, right? It's better than sometimes better than the computer.
It can see in the dark?
Yeah, it goes infrared.
Ah, I need that. Sick. Sick. I've always wondered where this place was. This is where you come to take pictures of your Honda Civic tuner car with the body kit. Ooh, stinky. Stinky down here. This is where you do burnouts. This is like the Ninja Turtles or Westworld. Ooh. There we go. Just that little bit of good vibes right there is enough to hold me on. It's getting wild out here. Bye, E-heads. Good ride. Let's get home alive. It's gonna be the vlog, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for practicing loophole culture safely, and for abiding by e-bike laws to the best of your abilities. Thanks for hitting that like button. Thanks for subscribing, hitting that notification bell. And save a dinosaur. Ride an electric moped. Peace. Loophole for 169.69 off your Onyx. Peace.